In today's video, I will teach you how to turn your subject's skin into gold using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea and open the image that you want to edit. In the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer and select Duplicate Layer, or simply press Ctrl-J on your keyboard. This allows you to apply the effect on a separate layer. Now go to Filter, then select Camera Raw. Here, increase the temperature slider to add a golden warmth to the skin tone. Optionally, you can adjust the highlights and shadows to enhance the golden effect, creating more depth and shine. If the image appears too bright, you can lower the exposure slightly to balance the effect. Then click OK once satisfied with the adjustments. With the gold effect applied, you will now mask it to show only the skin areas. In the Layers panel, click on the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. A white layer mask thumbnail will appear next to your edited layer. Now select the brush tool from the toolbar. Then press D on your keyboard to reset the foreground and background colors to black and white. Then make sure the layer mask thumbnail is selected and not the image thumbnail. Now paint with black over the areas where you don't want the gold effect, such as the background or the clothing. Now switch to white to apply the golden effect back to the skin areas. Then use a soft brown brush for smooth edges, especially around the subject's face and hands. Then adjust your mask as needed, switching between black and white as you refine the edges. And once complete, you can go to File, then Export As, and save your image in the format that you prefer. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.